If you're tired of paid screen recorders that promise the world but deliver watermarks and time limits, you're going to love today's lineup. We're looking at 5 free screen recorders that are absolutely taking over this year. So good, you'll never look back at paid software again. Let's get started. Let's start with Debut Video Capture, a perfect choice for those who want a hassle-free experience. It's a straightforward tool that allows you to record your screen, webcam, or even from external devices like IP cameras. The free version covers all the basics, although a small watermark may appear on longer videos. Some advanced features are available for a fee. However, for everyday screen recording, Debut is a solid, no-fuss choice that makes your recording tasks a breeze. Now, if you're a creator or streamer looking for professional-grade features, OBS Studio is your go-to. It's open source, totally free, and it's with pro-level features. You can record your screen, mix multiple audio and video sources, and even stream live to YouTube or Twitch. There are no watermarks, no time limits, and it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. The learning curve is a bit steeper, but once you get the hang of it, you'll feel empowered by its capabilities. For those who want something quick and lightweight, ScreenRec is a fantastic pick. With just one click, you can instantly share your video with a private link, recording your screen or webcast. There are no watermarks or time limits, and you even get free cloud storage for your recordings. You'll need to make a free account to access unlimited recording, but that's it. No hidden fees. If you love customization and want a tool that does it all, check out ShareX. This is the ultimate Swiss Army knife for screen capture. You can record any part of your screen, make GIFs, automate uploads, and even edit screenshots right inside the app. It's open source, totally free, and there are no watermarks or time limits. The interface can be a bit overwhelming at first, but once you become accustomed to it, ShareX proves to be a powerful tool. And finally, for those who want something super user-friendly, Ice Cream Screen Recorder is a great choice. You can record your whole screen, a specific area, or your webcam, and even draw or add text while you're recording. The free version has a 5-minute limit and a small watermark, but it's perfect for quick tutorials or other uses. If you ever need more, a paid upgrade is available, but the free version is more than sufficient for most people. That's a wrap-up of today's tutorial on 5 free screen recorders that are making paid software look seriously outdated. Which one will you be excited to try? Or do you already have a favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Ready to take things to the next level? Click the video in the top right corner to watch my step-by-step guide on how to download Adobe After Effects for free. Perfect for motion graphics, editing, and visual effects. Don't miss it. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more web tool tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.